Yo. No more echo. Hello, hello. It's me. It's me, the acetine. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just a little shrimp, that's all I will ever be. Ah, yes. Yes, I had this open. It's true. Yes, today we are adding. Hello, Meetup. Hello. How you doing? Today we are adding the thingy. It's your first time, Meetup. Hey, I think I saw you on our chat a lot? Question mark. So like I'm like, oh, someone I know, but it's your first time on this chat. Welcome. We are in the same place. It's true. It is true. I want to add a way for the enemies, the foxes, to be the same way as right now the bunny is, which is shadowed, and but that it should be like if you're in the same room as the bunny, I guess it would make sense. Yeah, if you're in the same room as the bunny and the bunny is using freeze, then the foxes are frozen for like 1 or 2 or 3 turns, something like this. I don't know, but yeah, it would make sense. And that is what I'm going to do today, adding the frozen status. Let's go. What did I do last time? Did I commit last time? I did. So, free slot found. Try launch animation. What is this? Oh, last time I did the animations. What did I do for the shadow mode? I just did the shadow mode and put it directly in bunny? Yes, I did. Here. Okay, that is fine. Bunny. Not bunny. Flags. Bunny flag. So no more shadow mode for the bunny. It's back. It is back. Okay. The animation is pretty cool. Yeah. Owl, hello. How you doing? How is the owl doing? Speaking of owl, indeed. The cute owl. Yeah. Bunnying. Yes, I need to. What am I doing right now for freeze? I need to add a new freeze attack. Onyo? What Onyo? Onyo, not the dawn. Okay. You keep distracting me. You're very distracting. Your presence is very distracting on your. But please. Yeah. It's yeah. It's cool. Distracting in a cool way. You'll go back to PoE. Addicted. addicted, oh my god. So cancel attack. Attacks. Where did I put the menu? Oh, it's in GUI. Maybe it shouldn't be in GUI. Should it? Oh, thank you for the follow, Shy Assassin VT. Hello, hello. Welcome. Welcome to the stream and to the channel. How you doing? A VT. Let's go. So many VTs. So many VTs today. Wow. Menu choice cursor. Where did I put the thing that decides? Oh, it's here. Okay, okay. So here it's nothing. I get it now. I do get it. I know the things. It now makes sense. Okay. So attacks, freeze, GBASM, and wait, attacks, heal, yeah, it's just gonna be freeze, attack. And like, I don't have a thing that is okay. I'm thinking about something like, if I want to do something that is freezing all the enemies in the same room, first, does it make sense? Maybe it doesn't. Maybe it should just be like the enemies in a circle around the bunny, or in a square, because it would be easier to do. Would it? No, it doesn't matter. But like like if I wanted to do it for the room, like the things inside the room get frozen, maybe I should keep an index of the entities per room. Or maybe it's too hard. Maybe it doesn't, like, technically it wouldn't be that long and we can still do the loading thingy. So maybe it's okay. Maybe I don't need to do this. Okay. Okay. Freeze attack is going to freeze attack is going to do what then? I think it should start a loading thingy. It should start a loading thingy and and like during the loading, it should iterate over all the entities, check their position, see whether they are close to the bunny, and if they are, change their status, and Maybe during the loading we could even do something specific, like make the camera shake a little bit, or blink. It is something that is doable. Maybe I'm gonna do this, yeah. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so first things first, I'ma set all the... Yeah, I don't remember the lyrics. So no, attacks. Hop. Hop is doing something. Hop is creating, like it's starting a loading thingy. So, freeze attack is going to you could say that this is just using 4 frames, I guess. I mean, we can test how many cycles it's used. I don't think loading VBlank would have anything different. So, freeze, attack, loading, VBlank. Just be a return. But loading regular would have... I mean, it could have something different to make the shaking thingy. Oh yeah. Yeah, what if VBlank changes I'm thinking thinkage is being done. Thinkage. Regular. Okay, first let's make it start a loading thing. BC, hop, not hop, freeze, attack, loading, VBlank, LD, AB, and this. Hop, 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 indeed, indeed. That is exactly what I'm saying. Reading my mind. I see. No thinkings. Only hop. Thank you for the follow, Sporsan. Thank you, welcome. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Thinkage. Yes, loading mode. Loading mode, and what is this display flag thingy? Oh yeah, because it should stop the... Yeah, it should remove the thingy. Yeah, I don't know how to call it, like the GUI. Yes. Brain is incapable of words today. As usual, it always happens. It never stops. Brain is dumb. Dumb. It's true. Yeah. So VBlank, let's just start with the visual thing and make it not even change something, like look if potentially it looks good if there is an animation. Loading step. Yeah. So like something like this. And maybe it should be in regular. Yeah, it's in regular. And wait. Oh no. My keyboard. Okay, it's fine. H5. So what I'm thinking, what am I thinking? 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. What I'm thinking is every 2 frames. More like every 4th frame? Right? Wait, I can just take whatever I did in the entity actions cancel thingy. Not action, entity display. Display. Shaking animation, yes. This, but not apply to not apply to B, but to the viewport. Yes, yes. Words are here. They came back. The words came back. Let's go. I can think now. Crazy. Okay, so this basically. And here also it's gonna be add B and LDBA, sure, but I need to put something in B, which will be B, yes, which will be red mem prepared, or not mem, yeah, well, reg viewport X. Wait. Display prepared block. Loading mode. Loading mode V blank. Reg viewport X. Disable window is okay inside the stat interrupt. So here we should not modify viewport X, but mem prepared viewport X. Prepared viewport X. Which does make sense. Yes. Yes, of course, of course. LDBA, or more like LD, prepared viewport X. Now, does it work? Does it start shaking? Bunny game, Mike. We will see. We will see. We will see the things. The things will be known. It doesn't work. Oh no. Oh no. Rip. Rip. I see. I see. I see. Bum ba bum, bum ba dum, bum bum, bum bum bum, bum bum bum, dum, dum dum dum, dum dum dum, dim dum, dum dum dum, bum. Why is it not working? Did I not save the GUI thingy? Yeah. Yeah, that explains it now. I see. LD does not have a parameter that can do this. Probably because it's not... Yeah, it's probably not imported. Dum, 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 dum. It works. Look at this. It shakes. Earthquake. Ta ta ta. Jishin desu. It is this. It is true. Okay. The world is just nervous. Exactly. The map is getting nervous for... Yes, I don't know why. But it is. It does make sense. Jishin. It's like an earthquake. It's like the thing that rings on your phone when there's an earthquake. It's like... Dun, dun, dun. Jishin desu. Dun, dun. Yeah. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Dum 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 dum. Okay, so now what if I make it blink? Oh, I could make it blink. Maybe it's dumb, but like, what if? Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. It's in definition. Definition. La definition. Sí. Palette. Normal. Background palette. Here, instead of getting the normal thingy, what we could do is get whatever is somewhere in memory. Like here, where, oh my god, where does memory start? Yes. Animation. Okay, I have some space here that I could put things, but also probably here. 17. Nope. 28. 28 indeed. So define mem prepared color palettes C0 29. And in init E4. First, instead of E4, we could put palette normal, which I think is E4. Yes. And not only put it here, but also in mem prepared color palettes. Mem prepared color palettes. Let's go. frozen. AB. Object. Palette. Normal. Object. Oh my god! No, no, I don't want this. Why do I not have the mod icons? Yes. Yes. Ban. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye the bot. The beep boop was removed indeed. Indeed. Bye bye beep boop. Bye bye. I should reset up something. Oh, hello Azure. Hello, hello. How you doing? How was stream? How was I don't know, progress, I guess. I guess you made progress, right? Right. How was your stream? It was good? Get some maps done? Oh, let's go. Hello, hello, Brent Bruter. Hello. Talked about stats. I see. Pretty pog. It's cool. I am Aston and I'm doing a Game Boy game for the people who are here for the first time. Hello, it's me. It is me, the Aston. And right now I am trying to make an animation that shakes the camera and make it blink. But now it just shakes. But yeah, that is the plan. Palette, normal is used here. But here, instead of palette normal, I should use mem prepared palette. Exactly. Hello, the book snail. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Wait, I don't think it's gonna. Yeah, it's not gonna change anything. I think I forgot to actually change the color palette. But I see. At least it doesn't break anything, which is good. Freeze. Yeah. So bit 1. Bit 0, I guess, maybe. Freeze, attack, loading V, blank. Blink. Animation. Skip, wait. Black palette. Or just dark palette. Dark palettes. Palette dark. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. and Z. So here we get this LD A, palette normal, LD, mem, prepared palette. Hey! Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Now, if you have epilepsy, maybe don't look, because I don't know how it's gonna look, and maybe it's bad. Okay, maybe don't look. Sorry. I am sorry. Okay, maybe I should not do this. I think it looks too extreme. I am not sure about this. Still, don't look. Don't look if you're photosensitive epilepsy. It's probably less bad, but okay, I'm not gonna do this. I mean, I could use it for something stronger, but like just for freezing, I think. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna use it for freezing. But thank you. Thank you. When do I stop the loading thingy? Wait. What if? What if instead of the dark one, I use a white one for freezing? It makes sense, right? Hello, Lane. Cute Lane. Cute Lane. Oh my god. Oh my god. Lane is cute. Lane is cute. Hello. How are you doing? How is they going? Yeah, it's so bad. What if? Zero 1 0 1 0 1 and hexadecimal 55. Oh my god, it's so bad. What if? It's a bit better. It does look better. What if I do this? It's kind of okay, I think. Do you think it's going to cause epilepsy? Like, I'm not gonna let it that much. What is the, like, I don't want to. I don't want to have to put a thing, a disclaimer for people who have like this photosensitive thingies. I would prefer everyone to be able to play the game. I don't know. Like, also, it's just gonna be... It's not gonna be continuous like this. It might be fine. Because, yeah, let's try to stop it after like 2 or 3. Hop. Dungeon mode. When do we get here? Compared to 0. Yeah, okay. A loading step. Compare 0. Return NZ. Map loading flags? What is this? Bunny flags. I guess I get it. Loading flags set 3. Animation is stuff is going up. Oh yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, I see. So we're just gonna get everything here. Attacks, bunny. Wait, attacks, not bunny, hop. And just get all of this, basically. It doesn't stop. Why? Loading step. Compare with 0. Oh yeah. Because here I'm returning. Freeze, attack, loading v blank, and comfy lane. Cute. Why is it hopping? What? What? Wait, is it hopping? Oh yeah, it makes sense. It does make sense. Does it? Does it? Or 38. Just N7. Just do the N7. We don't start the other animations. What the? What the? CP0 top attack skip display blocks, but at the end. Oh, it's because the V blank is doing the increase. It does make sense. You're working on a complicated drawing? Oh, do you want to share? I want to see the art. And the art. A drawing. A drawing. Pretty cool. I see problems. So maybe it should be... Zero dark. And like it's not dark palette, but yeah. Sure, you can show it probably, it's a bit... Okay. Let's go. And if I do this, and it frees all of the foxes, does it make sense? Like, for example, what if, visually, what if I do this and at the end, is it at the end? Yeah, okay. What if during this, in regular, I am getting the fox, the entity for loading step, compare 0, return if 0, because we don't want to get the bunny. Let's send the thing. Oh, wow, very cool. Yeah, don't worry. But very cool. I cannot say anything else than wow. Oh wow. Talented Lane. Oh my god. So during the loading regular, I will be getting a definitions, entities, ici, mem, entity list, entities list, and it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so 16. Yeah. which is SRA, SRA, this 4 times. Put in C. Putting it in C. And then adding, adding 7, then putting in C. Add 7. Then A, B, C. For now, let's put all the foxes in shadow mode. All of the foxes in shadow mode. Which is going to be set A1. Set 1A maybe, yeah. And putting it back in BC. Something like this. I think it should work the way I want it to. But why does it only work for the bunnies, not the foxes? I think it should be the opposite. Return if 0. What? BC mem entities list. SRA. A add 7. What? So it's not iterating? Why? Why? Am I dumb again? Am I dumb? Oh yeah, I am dumb. Iteration is not allowed, indeed. But it's like, it's shift left, not shift right. It does make sense because I want to multiply by 2. Okay. So now we're gonna test it with a bunch of foxes around and see what it does. Maybe not start. Like visually it would be more accurate to not start the turn here. We are gonna end up starting it, but also the foxes will be frozen for the turn. So yeah. So now I'm doing this and freeze. It kind of looks good, I think. Do we see that it's not all of this on the same frame? We don't, like, it's not, for me, it looks instantaneous. It's kind of okay. This doesn't make sense, of course, now, but like, yeah, visually, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So now the thing is, should it be all of the foxes or only those who are like in a square around the bunny maybe, or like in like a I don't know how to say, a diamond, like no should it be bunny, the bunny, this is the bunny, and no, you're not gonna steal my bunny. It's mine. It's my bunny. Do not steal my bunny. So this is the bunny, and like, should it freeze this one, this one, this one, this one, or also these ones, or even these ones? Maybe this is... Maybe more is kind of... Oh my god. Oh my god, these indeed. Of course. I think it would somewhat make sense to have it this pattern around. It does look kind of okay, I think. Yeah. Let's do this. So it's a distance of 2 when we add the difference of x and y. Yes. I can close a sprite. I can close this. Entity list, this. Bum. Okay, so instead of adding 7, we just increase DC, increase A. Wait. Okay. I'm back. Model. Increase A. Think it's brain is empty. Brain empty, no thoughts. Thoughts are gone. Bye bye. Bye bye thoughts. Bye bye. Yes. Indeed. That is what happens. That is something that happens. Sometimes. It does. Yes. So here, X. We get the X thingy. Put it in like E, I guess. we get the mem bunny x. Now subtract e and absolute and put it in e again, I guess. Sure. And we do the same thing again. Maybe we could put it in D, yeah. We do the same thing, but after having increased C. And we do it with Y. And instead of LD this, we add, add D. So now in A we put 2 and we subtract D, and like if D is greater than 2, we just compare with D. Oh my god, comparing D. But yeah. So, and like if it carries, what does it mean? It means that if it carries, it means that it's too far. So we should just return. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Also here we should add this 1, 0, 1, 2, so 5. Tori? Yeah, it works. Here it should not work for any. Here it should work for all of them. Let's go. Okay. So we did the visual part of the freeze attack. Now we should make it so that frozen foxes cannot move. Yeah. And for this, we're gonna add a new thing. So in status, I'm thinking, like, we could be smart and say that, like, there will be multiple status, but make so that their properties are encoded in the bits. Like, for example, we could say that bit 0 is whether or not turn should be skipped. We could have like status that make them lose. You can't sleep, but Assatin is streaming, so things are okay. Let's go. Pat the sleepless Foss. How you doing, Foss? Apart from the sleeplessness, unsleepiness. Bit 0. If we put in bit 0 whether or not the turn should be skipped, we can say that, for example, Frozen will have 0, and like sleep will have 0, and like other things that block the turn will have 0. But like still the status of being frozen will be unique, if that makes sense. I probably don't need 8-bit for the status, but like, yeah. Probably 4 would be fine. Question mark. But so that, yeah, let's go. I'm going to do this. I am going to do this. So that the entity action, Fox AI, can just say that it skips turn if health check and movement, health check. We could even make so that dead is a status, technically. Maybe not. Maybe it's dumb because, like, we should not display dead foxes. Yeah. Wait, health check and movement. Does it even make sense? Why do I check everywhere whether or not loading flag is at 3? Because it's... What? Why am I doing this? I should do it at the beginning. It should make more sense. Fox turn. Yeah. Should do it here. funky. It does make more sense this way, I think. LDA. Definition line. Definition? What do you mean? Oh yeah, I pasted something. I did paste something. Should turn be skipped is already defined. Should turn. Be skipped and well. F0 add 8. You cannot conceive the power I possess. I do not think. Like, I think I'm saying this every single time, but like, it's not that hard. It's like, if you know C, I'm not like, I think it could be hard if you consider doing like maybe advanced x86 assembly, trying to actually make something that is optimized. But like Z80 is very, very simple. It's in its conception. I don't think like when it was at the time, most people were doing games in assembly because C was too slow. Yes, Z80 assembly is before assembly became hard. Exactly. So like, it's not that hard. It's kind of easy. Like when you look, there is a, I don't remember the channel. Like there's a channel that I am subscribed to, and that released a video about Roller Coaster Tycoon. And like the thing was, the argument was like, Roller Coaster Tycoon is kind of like the last game. It's not that exceptional for the developer that it was written in assembly, but the exception. Yes, the thing that was that was kind of crazy was that it was released at a time where everyone was using C and C++. Thank you for the pats. pats for the unworthy setting. People used to peek and poke memory addresses, move the execution register to a specific address, then execute this. Peek and poke memory addresses, move the execution register to a specific address, then execute that? What do you mean? I'm not sure I understand. But yeah. Read-write memory with dip switches? What is dip switches? Dip switches. Alternatives. Oh, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Like, it was normal at one point. And like, I don't believe that we are somehow dumber than people from 30, 40 years ago. Raw hardware memory access, yeah, front panel. The L32, as I always IRC. Like, I feel like you explain this every time. Okay, if I remember correctly. Okay, thank you. I feel like you explain the thingies every time. I see the chat roll call. Exactly. Are you running this in an emulator? I am. I made the emulator. I made the thing. This is me. I made it in Rust. Exactly. I did the emulator. I did the assembler too, in Golang, and yeah. That's really cool. Thank you. Source code for it. Yes, it's in my GitHub. You can find it on the About page on Twitch if you're interested. Everything is open source. So here, HL. Wait. Can I directly just do bit 1, bit 0, HL, and then if it's true, what does it do here? And if it's true, I can just skip. Increase HL. Yeah. Here I could just put skip turn. Turn. Box turn, not skip turn. Let's go. And JV. Box turn, skip turn, yeah. Is it false? Because I don't think I put a license on it. Like, you can read it. You can entirely read it. You can... I give you the permission to execute it, to modify it, to do whatever you want. But, like, it's not necessarily... I'm not sure if it's forever or not. Like, I did not choose yet, because, like, if I want at some point, I want to I don't know, sell the game, the best thing would be like if it's open source, but I still do a build for people who don't want to compile it themselves. Like, it would be cool. Yeah, probably. I'm probably doing that, but like, I didn't choose yet, but for now you have full right to do whatever you want. Basically. Dual license GPL thing? Dual license. Yeah, I think maybe I'm gonna do this, but like... Wait, did a new owl emoji just drop? Did it? Did it? Oh my. Did I not see it? Did I not see the owl emoji? Which one? Did you? Oh, you saw Swimsh was new. Oh my god. Oh my god. GPL forces them to release their code if they change it, but they can pay to use a proprietary license instead. Because I think like the way that Sprite does its thing, where you have the right to compile but not distribute the binary, would probably be enough, because I don't believe that most people would, like, I don't know. You're a fan of AGPL3? AGPL3. A Pharaoh? Tell me, making a modified version later in public accesses on server without ever raising its source code? Strong copyleft license that enforce open source on all components. What is a Pharaoh? It's intended for software designed to be run over a network, but it will not be the case. Oh, like Mindustry. Oh, I see. It's only important for server code? But like, I don't think there will be server code. But like, if I release it as GPL, am I unallowed to still sell builds? Like, for example, if I release it on the GPL, is it impossible to make it not free on Steam, for example? But like, people can still go on GitHub or whatever other source thingies and download it. But I also don't want people to be able to distribute it themselves on Steam. If it makes sense. You're sure one of us is writing a bunch of servers? Yes, you. Plan 9, I see. 9p thingies. You can sell builds under GPL, but it makes it so you have to give them the source code too. If they ask for it and make that source available, then allow non-distribution license or not false. But like, I don't think I have a problem with people distributing the source code. It's just like what if I just want a monopoly on selling it on like something, like if I put it on Steam or like on whatever other platform, not just Steam, but like if I put it on Steam for money, I don't want people to also be able to put it on Steam for no money, basically. It's just this. Emacs used to be paid software? Oh, I see. But yeah, I know that Red Hat did like a bunch of weird things and still being GPL. And like, I know that there's like, but also I don't want to abuse the GPL. Like the MPL is also an option. MPL license. I don't want to abuse the GPL. The idea is just like, what if oh, that is possible. But yeah, I will think about it. For now, everyone is allowed to do pretty much anything. Maybe not put it on Steam. Not distribute it. I mean, yeah, like if you want to distribute it, I'm probably not gonna be mad, but like if it's obvious that people are trying to make like to abuse the thing, then it's not allowed. I know that this is not a good way of doing it. I will clarify when it's actually a game. For now, we don't care. Yeah, you can make asset very specifically licensed against reselling. Oh, I see. Yeah, that is possible. That is doable. We'll see. I will think about it. But I think I'm gonna I should put a GPL or whatever license on the emulator and the assembler though. Like for those, I think it's, yeah, I don't need to. It's like I think it's fine if people want to do whatever with it. Bum bum bum. Ba ba da bum bum. Bum bum bum. Why? Because it's not 0, yeah. It does make sense, It doesn't, like, what the? Oh yeah, because it doesn't set the status, it just set the shadow mode. Surprised that there isn't like a big listicle of all the means to monetize fast. Yeah, I don't know. Like, the thing is, I know that a lot of people are just, I know that like a lot of, okay, like my goal to, if I want to distribute the source code and make it free, and like my goal for it would be for the people to, I don't know, learn things if they want to learn things. I think it's kind of it would be kind of cool. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. False article, let's go. But yeah, I would like people to learn things if they want to learn things. And like I'm not against people playing, like, if I didn't even decide if I want to sell it or like make it free, but like if I want to make it free, I don't think I'm against people bypassing the thing and just playing it. Like if people don't have the money for something, I don't want them to not be able to play the game, basically. Like, yeah. But also, I think I want to make a game studio, and like it would be kind of nice if I have some form of revenue kind of acetylene. But like I was like, when I like, now I guess it's fine now, but like for a long time, when I was a student, I didn't have the money to buy anything, basically, and like it was very frustrating. It was like it was super frustrating, and like yeah, I mean, I don't want to advocate piracy on Twitch, and I don't think it's I don't know if it's okay to do it, but like there are reasons to do it. And like I would like to make it not illegal. Asset proprietary in code is good, yeah. And code fast is good, yeah. I don't know. Hello, Eldon. Hello. How are you doing? And hello, everyone is chatting. Yeah. True. How are you doing? You doing okay? Is it the good kind of okay, or do you need headpads? I can provide the headpads. I am a headpad provider. I mean, I can provide headpads even if it's the good kind of okay. I need to set the status to increase C. Headpads. Let's go pat. Important. Cute. I love this chat. You are so cute. You are also cute. Oh my god. Okay. So I do this. Oh no. I see. It does make sense. Maybe entity actions. Maybe at the end. At the end of the movement, it would make sense to reset the direction things. Assembly. Funny characters. Hello, Vlad Play Games. How you doing? How is life going? Welcome. This is Assembly indeed. And you have the acetylene on the screen. You have the cube chat, and you have the Padoro acetylene. I can even change it to look at this. Look at how Padoro acetylene is. Wait. Now Padoro Al. Al is here. Hello Al. Cute, cute. Look at this. Look at the cute. I made a Padoru owl. Yeah. Cute. Owl is here indeed, indeed. Life is alright. You're shocked? You are shocked. Oh, shocked. Shocked by the owl. The cute owl. Alkaline. The cute alkaline. Yeah. Alkaline Padoru is staying here. Yes. Yes. Aldoru. Exactly. Exactly. You're shocked by assembly? It's not hard. It is not hard. It is not hard. It's like, I said it before, but like, people in the past used to, like 40 years ago, most people used to make the game in assembly. Finding focus dev. Hello, welcome. How was your stream? How was your stream? Did you find the focus? Did you find it? Because it's not here. I think I did this joke already. But yeah. Assembly, like, yeah, 40 years ago, games were made in assembly. It was kind of normal. I don't know. But also, yeah, like, it's simpler than x86 or ARM assembly thingies. You technically found it, but it didn't yield a great result on your pat. But it's pretty cool. Focus has been found. Focus has been found. Yeah, at the end of the movement, I should reset the direction thingy. And 07. Oh no. Oh no, it continues to attack. Why? Why? Why does it continue to attack? If it doesn't move... Animation? It should be an animation. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Probably not. Probably not. Did I put the animation list somewhere? Yeah, action. So it's acting as if it was 17 instead of, but like, not 17, but 17 is hexadecimal, but like, am I crazy? Like, if I do this, do I agree that it's just gonna be 7? Yes, it's obvious. What? And 7? Oh, I see. I see. That maybe should not be the responsibility of this function. Should it? Should it? Because I'm also not doing in bunny, and I'm pretty sure I did in some places I did have to but like it would be way simpler and avoid a lot of bugs if both this and the bunny thingy would oh my god, linkage is hard. What if I do this? I should do it also for the bunny and remove the places where I reset the direction. For example, in hop, I think I'm doing it probably here too. Yeah. Night frozen. Frozen. It will never be unfrozen. Unfrozen, unfreezed, unthingies. Yes, yes, indeed. Indeed, I did the thing. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. It kind of works well. Bun's a mage now? Indeed, it can freeze the things. It is super powerful bunny. Yes. It's a ice bunny. It does make sense now. Everything does make sense. Yeah. How are you doing, Sigil? How is day going? Is it super early for you? Wait. -7? It's like 9 AM. Is it? Yeah, it's 9 AM. Hello. It's not that super early. Yeah. Heyo. What? Oh yeah, Sigil. I'm okay. I'm sorry. I am done. Yes. sorry. But yeah. Hello. I don't think you told me where time zones are weird. But like, I think I'm mixing up people. Yeah, I think I mixed you up with Nora's chair. But yeah. But hello. Time zones. Difficult. Very difficult. Oh! A fox! A frozen fox! Oh my god, it's frozen. It's frozen. Are you inside of the Pacific Ocean? Oh no, you're in New Zealand, right? You're in New Zealand. Did you say at some point? I don't remember. Yeah. Yeah, it makes sense. It does make sense. I think you said it at some point where we were talking about kiwis. Okay, okay. I remember now. So assembly is platform specific. How does development work? Is there an interpreter that lets you to code for GB but run on a PC? Yes, it's called an emulator because it's like assembly is not platform specific. It is CPU specific, but like there's other things that are platform specific. Like, for example, if I want to print something to the screen, then the way that you can print things is different depending on like whether it's a Game Boy or it's I don't know what else is on Z80, ZX thingy, ZX Spectrum is Z80 question mark. Yeah, so like am I right? Yeah. So like yeah, it's the instruction set is the same for this and the Game Boy. Maybe not exactly the same, but because the Game Boy is not exactly Z80, exactly Sigil, thank you. It's like it's not exactly Z80, it's like a reduced version of Z80. It's between 8080 and Z80. But like it depends on the CPU you're running. But other things depends on the platform, like the way that things are displayed on the screen, the way that you control the sounds and things, and the buttons, the inputs. Yeah. So everything is platform specific in the code. So what happens if you make an emulator that is looking at the code and making being kind of the translator between your computer and this. It's not just a translator because like it's in a closed environment. Yeah. But yeah, that is what happens. Which is kind of like it's more complicated if you want to make things on modern, like if you want to make x86 assembly, then it's gonna be like it's still the instructions are the same on Linux and Windows, for example, but the way you are calling the system is different. You are using different system calls, and you don't have the libc to make it semi multi-platform. So like, I mean, you have the libc. You do have the libc, and you can call the libc, but it's kind of cheating. Okay, maybe it's not cheating, but yeah, yeah, it's I would imagine that it's a bit harder to do platform, cross-platform, not cross-platform, yeah, multi-platform software and assembly. I don't know if it's impossible, but yeah. But in that case, it doesn't matter because it's like Z80, and Z80 can be emulated super easily, and it's cool. Not Z80, Game Boy. Yeah. Yeah. The emulator is a Game Boy one. I'm sure there are some x86 emulator. Yeah. There seems to be some, yeah. Virtual PC. QEMU, it makes sense, yeah, QEMU. It's technically, like, for me it's VM, it's true, it's emulator. There's a billion x86 emulator, exactly. Like, you can always find a way, but like, maybe... Like, it's... if you want to make a game, like, I'm doing it because it's fun. But like, if your goal is to make a game, and you want to make it for like normal PCs, maybe assembly is not the best technical choice. I'm not saying don't do it, because it's kind of cool and it's kind of fun. So like, definitely do it, but also maybe it's not the right choice. Entity bunny should also direction. At the end of the movement, it should do the things. Loading flags. Bunny direction. Here. Wait. Direction. Dirección. Yeah. Hello, Ordolden. Hello. How are you doing? Bunny direction A. Wait. Take this, put it in D. And 07, bit 3D. Bunny direction A. It does make sense. So now if I do this, it doesn't break anything, and I think I should be able to remove the things that are... Yeah. I should be able to remove this question mark, which one? This one. I am able to remove this, and also in hops, hop. And bunny direction. Just this. Boom, boom. Here is also doing this. So probably bunny direction. I don't need this. I do not need this. Bunny direction and 07 add move the thing animation offset. and 070. A scrolling map. Yeah. Its cancel attack also doesn't need to do this. Does it? I don't know now. I do not know. When is cancel attack called? Cancel attack. It's in hop when I'm trying to go to a collisionable place. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Freeze. Get frozen. Freeze. Heal. It's kind of cool. Things are happening. Let's go. Let's go. Why did I get status? Did I want to commit? Maybe it's time to commit. Yeah. I mean, technically I did like half of a thing, but like it's functional. They just stay frozen forever, but like it's okay, I guess. Poor foxes, oh no. Oh no. But I can do a commit. No, not diff. Yeah. Add freeze status on frozen freeze on enemies near bunny when freeze used. Boom, 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 boom. So now my idea the thing I want them to do is like if they're frozen, I want them to shiver at every turn. Entities actions. Freeze, shiver. You're gonna try to sleep. You're gonna try to sleep again. Yeah. Have a good sleep. Yeah. Have the good sleep. LDA 01 CPHL JR not 0 Ox turn freeze shiver and it's the result will be kind of in a long time. I think this should be in January. I think something like this, maybe February. But yeah, in quite a long time. But like I'm growing more confident that I will pass because I also did like in school. That's rude. Why is it rude? Like in school, we also did a test that I thought was way higher in terms of, like, it was way more difficult than the JLPT, and I was like 1 point from passing this test. So like I'm probably fine, question mark. Them taking so long is really, yeah, I don't know, it's fine. Like, I mean, for people who wants to stay here, maybe it's a big thing, but for me it's just like, is it good? Is my Japanese good, question mark? But yeah, Assassin Smart, we'll see. We will see. But like, I'm not 100% confident, but like, I think it might be okay. And if it's not okay, it's fine. It's fine. I don't actually need it. I don't want to go to university here or something. So it's like cool if I have it. Yeah. Sure, my streaming will go good. Let's go. Good night. Bye bye. Bye bye. Have the good sleeps. But something happened today. Something happened. I had like a speech thingy. And like we had to write a speech in Japanese, and present it in front of everyone. And like I am kind of shy, so like it's not, I'm not that good at presenting in front of people, but like I did my thing, like the thingy. The subject of the speeches, not just mine, was like treasure, the treasure in life, a treasure in life, and like I didn't really know what to write, and I ended up going with like doing art is a treasure in life, and I did the thing. And like people were kind of listening to me, and like I think my speech was kind of short compared to what was asked, but like people were kind of listening and paying attention, and apparently I think I might have written it well, maybe. and like at the end, people asked me like what kind of art I did, and then I showed them my drawings, and they were like, "Oh, that's beautiful. That's so cool. Wow!" And I was like, and yeah. That's it. I am happy. Writing assembly is a treasure in life. I mean, I could, but yeah, like I kind of wanted to put some emotional weight in it, and I think it worked. Like I think, yeah, because like I like writing assembly, but like technically, I would consider this as kind of art, Like I'm not. Is it question? Like I think art is something that you use to express yourself, but like in a different, not with the words, and like I think I'm using this for expressing myself, like not just assembly but the game in general. So like it is kind of art, I guess. In the intention, at least. Yeah. Like, is it assembly that is art, or more the like the game? Making the game is probably more art, and maybe you could say that doing it in assembly could be an artistic thingy, like artistically minded, because there's an intention behind it. Like I want to be like minimalistic, so yeah, artistic choice. Like you could argue this, but like most of it is probably not an artistic choice. It's just like I want to make it in assembly because it's fun. So I don't know, like maybe I don't know. I think the thing that is the most about art, I guess, is probably streaming it. And like all the me stuff. This is, yeah, I don't know. This is definitely trying to express myself and in a different way. There is, yeah. And that expression is pain on your. I guess it's. I'm not. I guess. I hope it's not. I hope I'm not bringing you pain. I don't know. Do I? Does it look painful? But yeah. I mean, sometimes I'm kind of like, oh no, not the bugs. But I'm having fun. I'm really having fun with the streaming and stuff. It's pretty cool. It's very cool. Just really, usually assembly is torture. Yeah, I don't know. I'm having fun. What did I want to put? Writing a good code can be art, and probably assembly is closer to art based on minimalism of it. Yeah, I mean, yeah, writing in assembly can be an artistic choice, I think. Like, is it my case? I don't know, but like, not only assembly, but like writing in like super minimal languages. I know that the people from 100 Rabbits are kind of doing UXN for artistic reason, in the sense that also like kind of philosophical reason, I guess, but like it's kind of they're doing it to talk about, yeah, minimalism, but like in a different sense, like the perma-computing, I guess, is the name. But like the thinking of how the computer we use are kind of way too complex. But like, can I claim that? I don't think I can claim that while being like, I think what is executing on my computer right now is like way more complex than it needs to, and then like I'm kind of I'm fine with it's more that I'm fine with it. Like I actively looked for a way to have a model and things, and like streaming it's kind of, yeah, it's not minimalistic. Like the game itself is minimalistic, but like I am definitely not doing in general Burma computing or digital minimalism, even if I clearly respect them. It's like it's so cool, but I am not. Yeah. Shaking 4. Just this. Why did I have two Vim opens? Oh no. Oh no. Confusing. What the? Oh yeah. Yeah, it makes sense. It does make sense. It's in box, entity, action. It's not 4. I should not put 4, but I should get what's in D and or with 40. A, D, or 40. And food time for you to have, for you. Oh, have a good food. What are you numbing? I mean, maybe it's too late, but like, yeah, good food. Good food. Nom 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 nom. Oh, tofu curry potato. Let's go. Nom 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 nom. Have the good noms. It looks weird. Should it be more? Just not... What if it's a problem about how much it shivers? Like, should it shiver more? Maybe? Super jump action. Shaking, yes. Here. This. Add to B. What if we do SRA A? Oh, I see. It's gonna be a problem. Wait, right, it's SLA again. I don't even know my left and right. Oh my god. It's kind of strong now. Thank you for the follow, AliF2050. Hello. Hello. So many numbers. How are you doing? What if I start the shaking not right away? What if I start it 8 and like compare, not carry, right, compare carry this. Hello, hello. It's fine. Okay, okay. Pog then, pog. Not satisfied. Maybe start here. You've been looking on resources and starting assembly development since you happen to start playing TIS 100. TIS 100. I don't know what this is. Apparently I searched for it before, so you're not the first one to talk about. Oh, I see. Yeah, we talked about this before at some point. An assembly video game. I see, I see. I mean, what kind of... It depends on the kind of assembly you want to do. Because like the thing I'm doing is an old machine, which is the Game Boy, and it's, I guess it's like, it's way simpler. It is way simpler, but also it runs just on the Game Boy. It's a puzzle game which is a language that resembles assembly. I see, I see. Like this is a very simple kind of assembly to learn, I think. But like if you want the thing to be executable on your PC with your operating system and not being in an emulator, like it depends on what you want to do, basically. Like if you want to, I think like another, yeah, like why do you want to learn assembly? If your goal is to learn assembly for like security reasons, then it's probably a good thing to learn x86 and in a way different way than I'm doing. You looked up the NES used 6502 and Game Boy used Z80. Exactly. Game Boy does use Z80. I mean, it's not exactly Z80, but yes, it's like Z80, close to Z80. Z80 reduce. But yeah. NES is 6502. I actually, like, this is kind of my first... Like, I know technically... I know of 6502. I never tried it because, like, this is my first assembly game development thingy. I did some ARM and x86 assembly before, but, like, very, very simple stuff, mostly just to learn. x86 is for modern computer. You been doing that? Okay. Retro computing, let's go, Pog. Yes. I am proud of you. Okay. So you are at the right place. You are at the right place. This is what we are doing here. And like, if you're interested, there's a Discord, but there's people, and like some of them are interested in assembly, and other are like interested in other things that are also super cool. So it's yeah, let's go. We have a Discord. But like retro computing is a common thing in this chat. It is. It is a thing. What was I doing? The shivers were not looking right. Does it work better if I do this? didn't try. Did I try? Maybe I tried. I don't know. I don't remember. Hop. Okay. This is looking kind of good. And like, if I freeze this box. Like, the thing is, when I move left or right, it doesn't look like it's... It doesn't look like it's shivering. How long have I been working on it? Since August. I mean, technically, if you count the emulator and the assembler, it's like because I did those. It's like last year, the end of last year. I don't remember exactly when, but I started to code these ones. But like, the game itself is since this year's August. I did everything on stream. That's just most projects since August. Such a small project since August. You quite heard assembly takes more time to get something than usually. Yes, yes, indeed, it does. But also, like, I'm not full time on this. It's like, I mean, maybe now I am, but also I'm slacking off a lot. So, like, it's more like, like I'm doing between 4 and 12 hours a week of work on this. So it's, I don't know. I think it's making some progress. But like, yeah, if you compare to something with like Godot or Unity or something, yeah, yeah, you could do this in 2 days, 1 day. Probably, it's true. It's true. I can hear that. It's true. Okay. Initialize objects. Not initialize object. Initialize entities. Initialize entities should reset everything. It's not the right one. I'm dumb. Initialize entities. So first, I should do a mem set. What is the code editor? It's Vim. It is Vim. Clear. Wait, blank. Wait for 0. When am I doing it in it? Am I clearing things? Here, empty. Okay. So like, empty, clear entities. And it's going to be a loop. Then old style. You're more into Visual Studio Code instead. I see. I mean, yeah, it's not my thing. It's not my thing. I don't like having like big thing on my computer. Exactly, Lane has good taste. Are you using Vim, Lane? I think you are. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're not using VS Code, but like, are you? Yeah. Let's go, the Vim users. Yeah. But everybody their thing, I guess. Clear entities. L. CPL. Lane is like using Rust, doing thing in Vim. Let's go. Oh, I see. I'm dead. Why am I dead? Why am I dead? Because health. Bunny health should not be set here. I mean, should it? Well, we can say that it's saving. We can cheat on this specifically. Why not? We can say that it's saving the bunny health to I don't know, B, and putting it back after. You were a Vim user back in the day, and it's still your go-to if you need to edit something quickly in the command line, but you mostly use VS or VS Code these days. Is Visual Studio not only for Windows? I see. You love that little fix. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of lazy fix, but it works. It does work. It does work. Use VS on Windows for your job. I see. Pat. Yeah. Hello, Ali AU, by the way. Pat, I hope it's not too hard. You use VS Code on either Windows or Linux at home? I see. What did I wanted to test? I wanted to test, like, if I freeze everyone. There's still one here. They're just shivering constantly. And they're all fixed. Let's go, it works. It works, and like, if they hit me, and then I freeze them, and I go to the next level, do I still have 8 health? I do. Let's go. But yeah. I mean, I used VS Code when I was in school, which tells you how of a Gen Z I am. But like, yeah. I mean, at school, in the very start, we started by using like Vim. And then like people were telling me like, yeah, VS Code is better, use VS Code. And then I started using VS Code. And then at some point, I don't remember why I came back to Vim, and yeah. That is what happened. That is what happened. Probably the same friend that made me switch to Arch Linux talked to me about Vim or something. I don't remember. I don't remember. I have like a lot of my tech good things come from them because I'm kind of lazy, and like they do the how do you say it? Like watching what is new, and they tell me, and I'm like, oh, it's cool, and yeah. I mean, I'm kind of making more. I'm kind of watching a bit more now and finding more new things than before, I guess. But like, for a long time, they did the thing. Daily driving Linux is a step you debate most here but never take. Daily driving Linux, I guess I took it like a long time ago. Like even before starting school, I was on Linux. I was an OpenSUSE. I don't remember. Like I don't know if Luna is not here to tell me how to pronounce it. I can't pronounce it. But like OpenSUSE. Yeah. But like at some point, I broke everything. Also because my old laptop needed like had the how do you call it? Like the thing, the dual graphic card with like Bumblebee and stuff. Thank you for the what is this? What is this? I am smooshed. Let's go. Bug. Yeah, like the Bumblebee stuff was kind of tough, and there was kind of a reason why at some point I kind of thought maybe I should go back to Windows, but also I was not doing too many games and stuff at that point, so like I didn't have, and like it was the time where now you have Proton and stuff, and like it's kind of good. I guess I still have problems with game, but like I've been told that by a lot of people that it's good. And like but at that point it was impossible. You could not play anything. And I don't remember what I was saying. So like Bumblebee and OpenSUSE and things, like I did not understand Linux. So like I was on Linux, but I did not understand what happened. And then I went to Arch Linux, and somehow I became able to understand what happened. Yeah. It was very like I did not have a point in that speech. I don't know what I was saying. Yeah. Vim is cool, but you only used it on Linux. Arch was really cool as well, but when you used it on Windows, VS Code is good. I see. You can use VS Code on Linux. I tried, couldn't figure out how to install it. I'm pretty sure you can just do VS Code. Yeah. I even have it installed. I don't know why. I'm gonna remove it. But why do I have it installed? What the? Bye, no more. Let's go, bye. But yeah, it's probably just in your package manager. Good morning, Norris. Did I say it already? But yeah, good morning. Hello. How are you doing? You never had any problem with VS Code on Linux? Me neither. It supposedly work well on Mac too, but you don't have a Mac, so you never tried? I mean, like most of my friends that use VS Code have a Mac and use a Mac, So it's like, I don't have that many friends on Windows. I guess for games, but like for coding, I guess most of my friends use Mac or Linux. Gaming on Linux will always be a struggle with the kernel anti-cheat becoming more popular. Yeah. Microsoft is actually trying to kill kernel anti-cheat in the Windows. Yeah, because of CrowdStrike. Yeah. Same thing with Arch. Everyone says it's hard, but it's the only Linux that doesn't give you problems. I mean, it is. I think it's the distribution that is the easiest to understand what is happening if you don't already know it. Like, I don't think I could have learned how to use properly Linux without Arch. But if you don't know and you're just starting Linux, like, it's gonna be hard. I do not think that if you don't know how to like configure basic stuff and like the way things are organized, I think it's gonna be hard. But it's a good thing, because if it's hard, you learn. They've said they will stop signing kernel drivers that serve any purpose other than hardware enablement, but they did give company using kernel driver for other things a couple of years before that goes into effect. Yeah. We started with... Oh, so it means they're just gonna stop as of now? Do kernel anti-cheat, new kernel anti-cheat... Are new kernel anti-cheat banned now? Like, is it only old ones? You've started using Ubuntu, but it was more or less as Windows, so you didn't like it too much. After that, a friend introduced you to Gentoo, and you thought it was fun, also it never worked, as you would keep breaking it. And then Arch appeared, and that was your favorite since then. Stop using Linux as a daily driver when you bought a new laptop with 2 video cards. I see. Yeah, 2 video cards is... Yeah. It was my problem with my previous laptop, but now I have like the most Linux compatible things, which are like ThinkPads. so it works. I don't have a problem anymore. You mostly use Fedora, but you have a laptop that's dual boot. I mean, maybe there's more compatible things. Like, things that are System 76 is probably way more compatible and things. But like, there's a huge community of people using ThinkPads and be like, I'm superior for using ThinkPad. So, so it helps. You mostly use Fedora, but you have a laptop that's dual boot with Windows 10 for work, and desktop that's the same for gaming. Yeah. If you were to daily drive Linux, you would use LMDE. LMDE? I don't think I heard of LMDE. Oh, Linux Mint Debian Edition. I see. Yeah, makes sense. It does make sense. Yeah, it's probably good. I don't know anyone using Debian for other things than servers, but also I never heard anything bad about it, so I don't know. I mean, I heard a lot of good things for Fedora, but also that it was kind of unstable because they kind of go early with packages. But also Arch Linux is supposed to be unstable, and I never had problems, so I don't know. Use Debian a lot for servers. Yeah, exactly. A lot of people use Debian for servers. It's still possible to install unsigned driver, but then your customer had to be able to follow strictly technical instruction and jump through security hoops to get them working. Yeah, I see. You mostly use KDE for desktop Linux. Yeah. I used KDE for a long time. It's kind of good. It's good. I don't have a problem with KDE. You find it a good balance between Arch and something like Ubuntu? But like, what? KDE is the desktop environment? Oh yeah, it's Fedora. Fedora. Yes, it's Fedora. Fedora with KDE. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's something I heard good things about. Cinnamon DE. You like Cinnamon DE that Mince use? Yeah. Also, I heard good thing about Cinnamon DE. I kind of heard, I think, like, okay, some time ago, I had a partner, and like, they were not really into computer stuff, but I kind of forced them to use Linux, and I put it was Linux Mint, I guess. It was Linux Mint, and it was good for them. It worked. Q's was you think you're their most favorite distro, but likes graphics acceleration. Did they adapt quickly? Yeah. Like for them, for their usage, it was fine because like they were mostly using their computer for like just in the browser. They were not playing games. So like they could have had like basically just a browser and it would have been okay. But like yeah. And like Linux Mint is, from what I remember, is extremely similar in the way to use it to Windows, I think. You have to bye Vlan, bye. Have a good whatever you're gonna do. Fedora gets new package faster than Ubuntu and Debian, but it's a bit harder to work your system on an update than Arch. Yeah, exactly. Like I even on like I had some cases where I had to do a Fedora Docker because like there was something that wasn't on Arch, like the for LLVM, for example. There was like a time where I was trying out Zig and I found like a bug in Zig, and like I wanted to find the cause of the bug, and I needed to have like LLVM stuff. This chat is so nerdy, exactly. Like I needed to have like to have the latest version of LLVM, and like it wasn't available in Arch Linux. So I had to do like a Fedora Docker because I didn't want to compile LLVM because it's hacking. It's crazy. Like, do you actually want to compile LLVM? It's like 2 hours. So like, yeah. Maybe not 2 hours, but it's very long. It's like, what the. And like it wasn't just LLVM, it was LLVM and CLang. So like, yeah, LLVM is cool to play with. Yeah, it was pretty nice, And at the end, with this, when I finally compiled it, I realized that the bug that I had was already fixed. RIP your processor, but like. I tried to compile it and then I was like, oh my god, it's taking so long. So I was just like, I'm gonna do a Docker and do the Fedora thingy, and it was way faster. It was way faster. Yeah. And so like Fedora was actually with newer packages than Arch. So kind of crazy. When you say forever, you mean since Fedora Core 1 back in 2003. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's impressive. Wow. Wow. I was very young in 2003. I don't think I used computers at that time. I was probably not. You like Fedora a lot too? Are you in Fedora, Lane? It's always super up to date. It is. It's crazy. You were not very young in 2003. Oh, I see. I see. Yeah, I don't think I heard, like, in 2003. I don't think I knew what an OS was. Like, if I used a computer at that point, it was probably I probably did not understand a lot of things. I was probably just playing games. I don't think I was using computer at all. But like, it's maybe. But yeah. Shy Assassin VT. Hello, welcome. You used to use Fedora on your server, then an update broke your fstab. Oh, rip. Yeah. Breaking fstab is kinda rip, especially on the server. Oh my god. But yeah, you've been using Linux for 4 years in 2003. Oh my god. Yeah, it's not even possible for me to use Linux for 4 years in 2003. Like, physically. You now use Arch on your server and you never looked back on it? Yeah. I also use Arch on my server, but I never had a problem with my desktop using Arch, but I did have problems with my server. And at some point I was like, should I move to NixOS? Because like NixOS seems kind of interesting to learn, and it like maybe it would be cool, because like if it's all in one configuration file, it means that if it actually, like, I don't know if it's true, but like I heard that like most of it was centralized in like a few configuration files, and like it was super easy to migrate your whole system configuration from one place to another. So like for a server, isn't it so good? Like you can just migrate and create copies and things, and it's so cool. It's so cool. Hope the server was close by or you had IPMI? IPMI? I mean, usually it's Intelligent Platform Management Interface. Usually it's VPS, so you have accesses that you want, I guess. Like for me, when trying to install Arch, I could like make fake disks and things. Yeah. It is cool, played with it, but then it quickly gets out of hands and you kind of get annoyed with managing the config file instead of installing package quickly. Perhaps you're too lazy though? Yeah, I don't know. But like for a server, I would understand that it's kind of annoying for a desktop thingy. But like for a server, maybe for me it makes sense. It would make sense. I mean, intellectually it makes sense, but I never actually tried it, so I don't know. You probably try it out on a machine at some point. Yeah, same. But like, yeah, if I don't, I think I'm gonna change. Like, I'm just too lazy to do it. But like, I think I'm gonna move my server to like either Fedora, because yeah, I had good experience when doing the LVM stuff, and I only heard good things about it, and yeah, or NixOS kind of would be cool. You wonder that what is the overhead for the RAM? for NextOS. Is there an overhead to the RAM? Why would there be? Isn't like the configuration file creating the system, and when it's created, like there's no problem? Or is it doing like backups and things? I don't know. I would imagine that it's just one time. I mean, one time when you try to install new stuff? Question mark? Maybe not. Maybe I'm dumb. It's getting dark. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so bright now. I should do things. I should do the code. Doing the code. The thing about Fedora is you're looking at upgrading the OS at least once a year. That being said, one of the two laptops on your desk was installed at Fedora 32 and was upgraded through every version to Fedora 41 without issues. I see. Compared to Debian or something with a small memory footprint. But like, why would it change the RAM usage? I'm not sure what you mean. I would guess that the package manager doesn't really have a lot to do with the RAM usage, but more like the things that are actually installed. So for a server, I mean desktop distribution usually have their preferred desktop environments and things and stuff, and yeah. But like for a server, I'm pretty sure that whatever you get is it doesn't launch. Maybe I'm wrong, but I would think that it doesn't launch more process than what you say it should launch. Maybe. The other laptop on your desk is also on 41, but it was originally a Fedora 34, and so they're not quite as old. Oh yeah. Kind of. Wait, Fedora 32. 32. When was it? Oh, it's like 2019. Okay. 2019. It's not that old. Did it go through 10 version in like 5-6 years? It's kind of crazy. They release a version every 6 months. I see. It's kind of crazy. Wow. Because like, how old is my computer? I think it's like somewhere in 2019. Yeah, impressive output, exactly. But like, I think the Fedora people are kind of dedicated. It's impressive. It's very impressive. They get all of the things first before everyone else. It's maybe not first, but like, yeah. It's like, it's kind of impressive, yeah. And like, I saw also like Asahi Lina talking on like Mastodon that like a couple months ago, maybe a year or something, like they were talking about on Mastodon, like when they changed from Arch to Fedora, how more, I don't know, how they were talking about like how I guess better the maintainer team was, like not to spit on the Arch Linux maintainer. I'm using Arch Linux and it's awesome, but like they were saying that basically it was more like a culture of you do a thing and like if it breaks, it breaks. Whereas like on Fedora, it was more careful, I guess, and dedicated. I don't know. Yeah. Hello, 8R Stone. Hello. Rob is here. Each version gets a new package at a faster rate than something like Ubuntu ISC support. Yeah. Quick hello before going back to work. And Padoro, it's Al Padoro. Let's go. I made an Al Padoro. I also made my own Padoro. And yeah. Fedora has full-time maintainers? I actually don't know, but I would assume so. Because like, how would they do it? How would they be so dedicated if they did it? Like, is Fedora Red Hat? Oh. Is Fedora something from Red Hat? I think it is. Question mark? Yeah. So it does make sense. I have my own Fedora. It's mine. Hello. Wait. Wait, I did the wrong thing. This one. Hello. It's me now. But I'm already on the screen and like, yeah, I want to put the so many down stickers. Exactly. They're multiplying. I'm gonna put the L. It's a community project, but it gets some funding from Red Hat and other company. Yeah, I see. So like they have the money to employ people. Oh, I see. It was originally forked from Red Hat Linux when Red Hat went enterprise only. I see. It does make sense. So they're using RPM. Wow. We're learning the things. But yeah, it does seems pretty cool. I mean, I don't know if Red Hat as a company seems cool. I've heard like bad things, but I don't know if it's true or not. And I don't know, like, in what is true, I can't judge morally, but because I don't know that much about software licenses and stuff. But yeah, but it's pretty cool. Should I add a dumb sticker on Al? Maybe she should. I don't know. Maybe when she's here, it would be more funny. Red Hat is generally not a bad company. They have, however, done a few things in recent years which have greatly upset certain segments of the community. Yeah, I heard about this. I heard like there was a lot of debates on something about being technically like something was like respecting the GPL in a technical sense, but not the spirit of it. I don't exactly remember, but it was yeah. but I don't know anything. I am dumb. I'm the dumb, so I don't know. I cannot judge. I don't know anything about licenses and stuff. And yeah. What was I doing? What was I doing before this endless yap? Endless yap. Yapping forever. I did this. I did add a line. Not done. Smart. I am the dumb. I'm dumb. Up until a certain point in time, they released source packages of all their software with their branding removed. Then they stopped, and some company that were using those packages got upset. I see. It looks difficult. Yeah, it makes sense. It does make sense. Like, I heard that they did something. I don't know if it's true. I think I remember about something of like distribute. Like, technically, the GDPR doesn't force you to distribute your sources to everyone. It just forces you to distribute your sources to, like, along with the binaries. So, like, they were selling a distribution and distributing the source code with it, but also, like, technically people had the right to redistribute it, but like if they did redistribute it, then Red Hat would cut the ties with the company and they would no longer get the new updates. So like something like this. I don't know if it's true. They were also very badly handled Switch on how they were doing CentOS. You can't prevent anyone who has it from redistributing it. Yeah, it was something like they technically allowed you to redistribute it, but also like if you were to redistribute it, then they would not send you the next version or something. It doesn't say you have to give your binary RSOs to anyone, just that you can't give one without the other. Yeah. Yeah. It's complicated. Legal stuff is difficult. Thinkage. Yeah, we should unfreeze the foxes at some point. And maybe not make like how is the game dev progress today? It is going. It is going. I mean, we did some things. We went from nothing to like basically freezing the foxes. But like maybe we could do something about making them shiver not on every turn, but like randomly. When CentOS 8 came out, it was widely assumed that they would have the same support lifetime as the previous version. though never explicitly stated, a bunch of people upgraded to it, then they announced that CentOS was being abandoned in favor of CentOS Stream, which was incorrectly described as a rolling distribution in the announcement, and the CentOS 8 support window would be much shorter than people had expected. Oh no. Yeah, kind of rip. It's kind of rip. It does sound rip for the people who used it. Like, but also it doesn't sound malicious. Why would they do this? Is it just because they couldn't handle that much? Like, if they wanted to make the CentOS Stream thingy, they didn't have enough developers to maintain CentOS 8? CentOS was already not being properly supported before, yeah, so it kind of makes sense then. It's like companies have a budget, so due to staffing issues, yeah, it makes sense then. It makes sense. I see. It's rip. It's still very rip for the people who used it, but yeah. Okay, shiver, but not on every turn. Like on one of two. Dum 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 dum. Bum bum ba-dum. Do 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 do. Bum bum ba bum ba bum. Bum ba da bum. Cool. RNG step. And one jar bit 0. Wait, I could just do this. Bit 0A jar 0. Then fox thingy, freeze, shiver, end. So now it's random. They don't all shiver. Is too good. Is 2 a good number? They do all shiver. Oh no. Oh no. Rip. Why? Why? RNG step. Oh, I'm very sorry. I have to end the stream like right now. I am super sorry. Yeah. Bye bye. Thank you for coming. Everything is okay. It's just I forgot something. Very important. Bye bye everyone.